Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today is going to be the second second video of the basic forex course. And in this course, the first video was I made it in Urdu, but now I've decided that I'm going to start I'm going to make this course in English. So yeah, before you starting, I just want to say that yeah, please don't mind my English. This is not my native language, so they are going to be and all that things. Okay, but what I want you to do is that whatever I am sharing here is going to help you a lot in your trading. Okay, I know it's not an ideal condition. You can see the watermark of the screen recorder that I am using as well. But yeah, the thing is that what you have to do is you have to understand this thing that you have to learn. Okay, you are going to learn, and I'm going to share a lot of knowledge whatever I have learned in my trading with you guys. Okay, this is by the way, this is the trade that I took, and I closed my position at 15 pips, and now it's rejecting the position. It is one of my setups that I'm going to share with you guys some times, but just stick with me. In previous video which I made in Hindi, what I talked about was support and resistance. Okay, I talked about support and resistance, and I told the viewers that what price does is, for example, price starts here and it's going to come at this point, it rejects this point. For example, it's a resistance, it rejects this point, so it's come back, do some dance, and then it come back to the support, and there are highly chances that it's going to bounce from the support. It comes back up, it comes down, comes back down, and then it's come to the resistance, and it rejects the resistance. Then it comes back down, gives some retracement, and then again comes back to the support. And let's say that at that time the pressure, the bearish pressure is more, so price breaks the support and comes back up, retest it, and then keeps on moving down. So this is the basically the overall dynamics of the market, and how price action moves, how candle moves. Okay, so these are the touch points which makes it validate what is the support and a resistance. And I'm pretty sure that many of you guys already know what is a support and a resistance, but the thing is that whenever you are learning something, I think you just have to sit back and learn everything. Okay, there are going to be a lot of things that you already know, but I want you to, and I'll request you guys to just study everything. Okay, because if you want to learn my strategy, first of all you have to go through everything. Okay, it will help you out when I'm going to reveal my strategy to you guys. So if you have went to all the videos, it is going to help you out, and you will understand betterly. Okay, so basically this is the overall that is our range. And at this area, for example, this is the point where I don't take trades. At this point, I don't take trades. Okay, this is the area I don't take trades. Okay, my strategy does not take trades. So what you have to do is you have to understand this thing that trading is a game of probabilities. Okay, and whenever you are trading in important levels, on important support and resistance zones, you are making the probability come into your favor. For example, let's say that the price is at a resistance and you sell from that resistance. Okay, price is at a resistance and you sell from that resistance. So whatever what the thing is that the probability is in your favor, because there are high chances that price might reject that resistance and you're going to make profits out of it. But let's say that you trade here at this point, at this range, then the probability is not in your favor. Price can either go up or price can either go down. Okay, so this is the basic I talked in the previous video. Now hurriedly, what I want to do is I'm going to tell you guys what makes a support and what makes a resistance. Okay, this is the very important thing. I want you to understand this thing and learn this thing. This is the basics, and many people does not know the basics. Okay, whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, just like this, just like this, whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, it's a support. Okay, understand that's it. Okay, whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, it is a support. Okay, that's it. I'm going to repeat it again. Whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, we have formed support. Understand this. And what is resistance? whenever there is a bearish candle, whenever there is a bullish candle, and the next candle is a bearish candle, we have formed a resistance. Okay, that's it. We have formed a resistance. I want you to understand this again and again and write it down somewhere. Okay, whenever there is a bullish candle and the next candle is a bearish candle, we have formed resistance. Now a few of you guys are going to say that what about the wicks? Whenever you are drawing your support and resistance, sometimes it is a zone. Okay, it is not something a specific level, it is a zone. But whenever you are drawing support and resistance, you are going to draw the bodies. Okay, the thing is that when the price forms resistance, the bodies of bearish and bullish candle starts at that same point. Okay, so you draw this at this point. Okay, and whenever there is a support form, the bearish and bullish candle, you have to ignore the wicks and you have to just see the body. Okay, that is your support. Okay, fine. Now I hope you understand this thing. This is a very basic thing. Now what I want you guys to do is, I just want you guys to draw support and resistance. And secondly, lastly, what I'm going to say is what makes a big support and resistance, what makes a good support and resistance is touch points. The more the touch points we have, the higher the support and the resistance we have. Okay, the more the touch points we have, the higher the support and resistance we have. For example, we have this touch point, we have this touch point, we have this touch point. Okay, we have this touch point. Okay, so this is our support. So whenever price is going to come at this point, what we are going to do is we are going to take a buy. Okay, we are going to look for buys. And let's say about resistance. Okay, we have this touch point, we have this touch point, this touch point, this touch point. We are going to draw our resistance. Okay, there is a a resistance from a bearish candle and there is a bullish candle. Okay, now this is obviously support become resistance, but this is a resistance here because the price is above it and not below it. Okay, so it is a resistance, and you know what, price came at this resistance point. Now you can see the magic. Price came at this resistance point, rejected, again came, and then boom, down. At this support, price went up. Okay, at this resistance, price rejected and came down. Okay, price came down, and here again price went up, came down, went up, came down, again went up, and then down. Okay, so this is basically the concept of support and resistance. Okay, so this is what I want you guys to do. And what makes the higher support and resistance, what makes it higher support and resistance, that is higher touch points. We have two touch points. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 touch points. So whenever price is here, we are looking for buys. That's it. So this is the basic thing that you need to understand, you need to learn. Okay, and now you can see what you have to do is, after this video, you can go and mark your own support and resistance. Okay, mark your own support and resistance and see where the price, what the price does there. Okay, take any chart, any market, it can either be crypto, it can either be gold, anything. Mark your support and resistance, mark your support, mark your resistance, and see what the price does when it comes there. Okay, just learn that, don't do anything else. This is very basics. What you have to do is just understand what the price do at those point. Okay, that's all you have to learn. Just right now, if you are learning about forex trading and if you're learning about how to trade gold, all I want to do is understand what is a support, what is a resistance, and how we are going to mark support and resistance. Again, I'm going to tell you again because my the video is going to be end. All I'm going to say, I'm ending this video with this point. Just learn about what is a support and what is a resistance, how the support is formed, how a resistance is formed. Support is formed whenever there is a bearish candle and the next candle is a bullish candle, we have a support. And as a resistance is formed whenever we have a bullish candle and the next candle is a bearish candle, we have formed a resistance. Okay, and what about the wicks? We ignore the wicks and we draw our lines based on the bodies. The higher the touch points of the bodies, the stronger the resistance. As you can see, we have a bullish candle and the next candle is a bearish candle. We have drawn the line, and the same exact point, price came back again. We have a bullish candle, the next candle was a bearish candle. Okay, so that is a support and a resistance. So this is what I want you guys to learn right now.